What's up, guys? Welcome back to Treatment Driver Profit, the ultimate guide to buying, driving, and flipping your dream cars for profit. Today, we're here to purchase a BMW M6. Well, hopefully purchase if the price is right. So, turn around. That's the car right there. Flex. I saw the list of mods. How long ago were most of those done? The modifications? It drives really good. I mean, compared to the M4, it feels a little weird.
Damn, bro.
That thing freaking pops.
Car has almost 700 horsepower.
This one does?
Yeah, almost 700.
What does it sit at
700.
around?
Like
Like where? Like 650, 680,
670.
670? Damn, I like it. I like how it feels.
You like everything.
What? I like everything, huh? What's as far as pricing goes? We'll talk about that in a bit, but I know what you're asking for it, but ballpark, like, where are you willing to kind of break?
You mean the price?
Yeah, as far as pricing goes, what's your least bottom dollar? If I'm paying cash as well,
48, 47.
that's your least. That's your bottom dollar right there.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. Why would you say 48, 47? Give me no. I'm just saying, like, give me a good reason.
Because I spent a lot of money.
Money putting it.
Yeah.
How much did you put up into this car?
25.
About 25,000.
25K, yeah.
Okay. Like the first year you got it, the second year, or
I did everything
just little by little?
myself. I did
Okay.
everything by myself.
Okay. You're a sneakerhead. You like shoes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Would you sell shoes? He don't want to sell me nothing. William doesn't want to sell nothing. You'll sell some or no?
No.
Oh, this guy. All of you guys are that way. He doesn't want to sell anything. I like how that sounds. And it's aggressive. There's no like major issues that you can see or you can hear. Other than the door, when we first shut it, it was making that little noise, so that would need to be fixed because that's pretty major. Somebody spending about $48,000 on this car is gonna complain about that. But as far as like everything you've put into the car, as far as mods and stuff, I think you did a pretty good job. Drives well, I mean, handles well, so yeah, it's a pretty badass car. I have the list of mods. I'll let William know what's my offer, and then you can tell me whether you accept or decline the offer, and then we can start negotiating from there, or however you feel. But I'm gonna give him an offer where I'm not gonna negotiate from. So I'm just gonna give him a solid offer. If you say yes, I'll bring you the cash. If you say no, then it's a no. You know what I mean? How does that sound?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll let you know. So you need an offer before next month, pretty much.
Yeah.
I'll give you an offer way before that.
The rule.
I know what I want in my head. I know, but let me just think about it. That way I know I'm giving you a fair offer. You know, something you're gonna like, and then, you know. So the title is Box A. It's clean title, clean Carfax, all of that good stuff. Okay. So we just took a look at the M6. It was a pretty cool car. Had a lot of mods. The kid wants 48,000, and I already know the offer in my head of what I want to make. It's about 35,000. He has about a month to sell the car, so I'm gonna send the offer out tomorrow to his friend that brought us the deal of 35,000. I don't think he'll take it, but at least it'll play in his mind, because I don't think anybody else is gonna offer what we're offering. So we'll just let it sit, play with him for a little while, and then once that month comes up, hopefully we grab it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to learn more about what I do and how I do it, follow me at IamGoTA. We're gonna be posting a lot of videos, and like and subscribe to get more updates, to get more videos. There's gonna be a lot more content posted on this channel. So thank you guys again for watching. Peace.